Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Take 10. Today I'm going to show you how to do a video slideshow in Listing Concierge. So this is similar to the virtual tour. It can be used as a virtual tour. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the photos and we're going to put them together in a video. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to mycbdesk.com, go ahead and log in, and then you're going to select the Listing Concierge tile right here. If you can't find it, you can always search for it over here in the search bar. Click in there. That's going to take us into Listing Concierge. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the listing that I want to make the video slideshow for. So in that case, it's 365 Elm Street. So we'll just click in there. And here we are in the listing dashboard. And you can see when I scroll down, there's an option that says video slideshow. So this says completed already because I've been playing around with it, but yours will not be completed unless you've done so already. This is not part of what your Listing Concierge coordinator creates. So this is something that you have to come in here and go ahead and put together yourself. But it's super easy. So let's do that together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come in here, and this is the creator area. We're going to click style options. So that's going to give us a couple of different end cards and beginning cards. And we can pick, if our property is global luxury, we can pick that one. We can pick these other ones. So this property actually is global luxury. So we're going to click that. Then we'll close that up. And then background music. You can select background music if you would like. You can just click these little buttons over here to listen to a sample. Maybe. There we go. So I like this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. I'm going to turn that off so that way you guys can hear me. And then we're going to go select the photos that you want to put in here. So this is where all your photos are. All you have to do is double click, and then it will put the photo from here and take it in here into the creator area. Okay, so let's scroll through here and find some photos that we like. Try that. There we go. Our scroll bar wasn't appearing. So let's see. Let's scroll through. And you're going to want to pick the photos that highlight the property the best, what show off the best features. Maybe there's a really cool kitchen. Maybe put some extra kitchen shots in there. Whatever you think is best, whatever you would want to see if you were looking for a home. I also think you don't want to put too many in here. I would say maybe stick with maybe 15 or 20 max, because you don't want your video to be too long that nobody watches it. So stick with the highlights of the property. Let's see. I have a dining room shot. Maybe here's a back patio. Put that in there. And we've got a master in there already. Let's do this guest room. And let's do another kitchen. Okay. So let's say those are the photos that I want, and I'm happy with that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange them. So you can see that I've just gone through over here in the sidebar and I've just double clicked which ones I liked. Now we're going to come over here into the creator area and we're going to rearrange them. So this one is a basement shot. So I'm just going to hold and drag and move it down to the bottom. Let's put the kitchen one up here. Let's put it here. So again, I'm just clicking and dragging and moving the photo. Okay. Get over there. There we go. All right. Let's say that you put a photo in there that you don't want. So I've put this photo in here and oh my gosh, I don't want it in there. So you just double click it and it goes away. Okay, super easy. So you'll double click over here in the sidebar to add a photo, and then you can rearrange here in the creator area. And then if you don't like a photo in the creator area, you can just double click on it and it will disappear. So your virtual tour might be a little bit bigger than mine. That's totally fine. Whatever works for you. Again, just make sure that it's not too long because you want to make it short, sweet, and to the point. And then I like to do this. This is include the zoom effect. So what that means is that when you look at the video, it will pan through the pictures and it kind of zooms in on them. And I think it's just more engaging than a static picture. So I always like to select that include zoom effect. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to save that. And you can see right here that it says when you click save, it's going to post to your single property website. We also have a couple of other options with it as well. But let's let it save. It's going to load. And right now, basically what it's doing is it's putting the video together. You can see it loading up here. You can see that loading icon. So it takes a few minutes. If you click save and nothing is happening and you're like, what's going on? It's just, it needs to think for a minute. So let it think for a little bit. And this is really cool because obviously it posts to your single property website as well, but it's going to post to the Listing Concierge YouTube channel if you select to do that. And also you're going to get a downloadable video. And so what I mean by that is we're going to get an actual video that we can post to Facebook. We can put on our YouTube channel. We can put it on Instagram. We can put it on IGTV. So it's very useful. This is a very versatile tool that you can use for many different platforms. So you can see now that it's done. It's created the video, and I know that because I have these buttons over here. Okay, so here are my options. I can download the video. I can delete the video. So I would delete the video if maybe I didn't put all the photos in there that I wanted to put in there, or maybe I didn't like the song that I chose. So you'll delete it, and then you'll be able to redo it. You can't edit the video. Unfortunately, you have to delete it and then restart. And then post to YouTube. So again, this is the Listing Concierge YouTube. So let's go ahead and download the video first. And you can see right down here that it's downloaded right here for me, okay? And then we can post to YouTube. Let's do that. We'll give that a minute to load. It's going to take some time to think. And then you can see here, it's going to take a minute. If we click on that, it's processing. So we'll let that process and then we'll come back. So in the meantime, let me show you what the video looks like. So you can see that I've downloaded it here. Let me click that and we can watch it. So you can see this is the slide zoom effect, meaning it zooms into the picture or zooms out of the picture instead of just having a static picture there. So that's essentially what it looks like. It just goes through all the pictures until the end. So you can see that this video is about a minute long, and I would say that's just perfect. You don't want it to be too long. Great, perfect. All right, let's see if this is ready to go. Let's try clicking this YouTube link here. There we go. So obviously it just takes a minute to load here in the preview. But if we click the YouTube link, that's going to open up a YouTube video. And then here it is in YouTube. So this is the Listing Concierge channel, and we've posted it there, and it's there. So what you can do from here is you can share it out. You can click the share button, and then you can share it out to Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want. You can just get the link. Or I would recommend using the video that we downloaded, posting that to your Facebook, and then sharing it from your Facebook or your YouTube instead of the Listing Concierge one. So that's it. It's pretty easy, and it's a great tool, and I think it's a really nice way to show your sellers what you're doing for them, especially in this time, given that things are a little bit crazy right now. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you. And I hope that makes sense. And I hope that you are excited to create some virtual tour slideshows. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.